Good morning, dear student. Today we will see some practical example of Python. So first of all, I will press the start button from the keyboard. Then I will type IDLE. When I type IDLE, I will find IDLE 3.8. Okay, then I'll press enter key. When I press enter key, I will find IDLE shell window. Okay, so here in the last class I told you there are the two modes of Python window. One is interactive mode and second is script mode. First of all, we are talking about the interactive mode. This is also called immediate mode. Here you can see the Python IDLE path, IDLE prompt. Here you can type any command directly, like you want to print any string. The string is what? Which comes under in single quotes or double quotes. That's like I'm pressing single quote, I'm typing hello. And when I press enter key, it will print hello immediately. When I press inverted comma, it means double quotes, and then I type hello. And when I press enter key, again it will print hello, because both are the strings. And if you want to do any calculation directly, so you can do the calculation directly, like 89 plus 90. When you press the enter key, you will find the result, because it is an interactive mode. Directly you will get the result. If you want to store that value into the variable, so you have to write it line by line, like a equals to 67. Press enter key, it will ask another value, like b equals to 34. Press enter key, like c equals to a minus b. Okay, now the result is stored in variable c. Now what you have to do, you have to print c. So how to print c? You have to give command print, and then bracket open, then you will write c, then bracket close. When you press the enter key, of course now you will get the result. Here you can write the simple program, but you cannot save this program. Here you get the result immediately. That's why it is called the immediate mode or interactive mode. But you want to write particular program, you want to save it, and you want to use it in the future. So what you have to do, you have to go to the script mode. So how to go to script mode? First of all, you will go to the file menu and then click on new file. When you click on the new file, you will find the untitled window. Here you can write your program, like I am going to type a program for addition of two numbers. So first of all, I am typing here x equals to a particular number, y equals to another number, and then z equals to x plus y. Now I am going to print z. Now this is the same program, but here I can save this program and run it in future also. Okay, but the program which you write in the interactive mode, and that will be erased after closing the window, that cannot be used in future. So how to save the particular file? You will go to the file menu and click on save option. When you click on the save option, it will ask the file name, like I am going to give the file name first file, and then click on save button. When you click on the save button, you will find the title of the particular file. In the title bar, you can see the first file .py. It means the extension of Python file is .py. Now how to execute it? You can go to the run menu and click on run module. The shortcut key is F5. So either you press the F5 or you click on the run module under the run menu. When you press the F5 key or click on run module, you will find the result here, like the result is 146. Again you want to open that file, so what will you do? You will go to the file menu again Now click on open, then find the open dialog box. Choose your file from the list, or you type your file name. My file name is here, first file. I will click there and then I will click on open button. When I click on open button, I will find my file. This is for today. In the next class, I will tell you some difficult programs, how to write difficult or lengthy program in Python. So thank you and have a nice day. If you like my channel, so please like it and don't forget to subscribe it.